Ladies and gentlemen, this is the repair that I did on an Audi A4 Quattro starter. The starter will not work, and this is the repair that I did to it. If you look out here, the braided wire got rusted and it went bad. So I replaced it with I think it's 12 gauge wire and solder it to the starter, and I'm gonna try and see how it works now. I keep you informed or posted on how long they last. So this is what you could do if you don't want to spend $150 on a starter. And the tricky part was getting that big wire out there on top. You really have to use this special tool to get it out, because it was like impossible. It's been like a half an hour trying to get it out, and I use this tool out here to crimp under the wire and then raise it so it go over the clip. So this is what I use: a harbor tool, special tools. So that worked pretty good for me. That's how you get that pigtail out of there. All right.